You need to hear this if you're serious about your health. Managing cortisol doesn't have to be complicated. Here's how you can keep stress in check, naturally. Cortisol is your body's main stress hormone, and when it's out of balance, it can mess with your mood, sleep, and even your weight. But you don't need fancy supplements or intense workouts to bring it down. Start with low-impact exercises, brisk walking outdoors, a calming swim, or a gentle session of yoga or Pilates. These activities help lower cortisol and boost your mood without overtaxing your system. Tai Chi and even gardening also work wonders, connecting you with nature while calming your mind. Mindfulness matters too. Deep breathing exercises can flip your body's relaxation switch, and a few minutes of meditation daily can make a big difference in stress hormone levels. Don't underestimate the power of simply being outside. Nature itself can help bring cortisol down. Hobbies and socializing? Also key. Whether you're dancing, painting, or just laughing with friends, doing things you love helps lower stress and keep cortisol in check. A couple of final tips. Avoid overtraining. Too much hard exercise can actually spike cortisol. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours each night. Eat a balanced diet and pay attention to what feels good for your body. Remember, managing cortisol is about balance, not extremes. Make these habits part of your daily routine and let your body thank you.